Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to take you on a bit of a commission preparing and packing and shipping and doing adventure because I recently shipped out my first commissions and it was a lot of fun. So my first large commission was placed. It's 16 by 20 and yeah, you can see I'm just preparing the canvas. It's a wooden canvas because I don't know, I really like working on wooden canvases. This is kind of my default canvas that I go to now with commissions, unless people request something else. Yeah, this is kind of my setup. It's not super in-depth, but I wanted to show you a bit of the painting process, including me blocking out some sky here. On a big commission like this, there's a lot of time in between my sessions because I really don't like picking up a brush for it unless I can sit down for a while, and I just haven't had time to, so I've been getting much more into this commission recently. And I also needed to varnish and prepare these to be shipped out, so I signed my name on the back, and yeah, I used some Gamvar to varnish it after having wiped it down, because since it's oil paint it takes a little bit to dry, so if there's any dust that collects on it, I don't want it to gather underneath the Gamvar. And I actually didn't end up using newspapers to pack these. This is what I used initially, and then I really didn't like it because I wanted it to look nicer, you know, and it was trial and error, so I don't know. I also had some advice for if you're experiencing artist block, or not even experiencing artist block, but feeling uninspired to paint. So you might have a lot that you might want to do, but you don't feel inspired to paint. Something that I've found really has helped me was this. So basically, I primed a page with black paint and I painted on it, and it was something I've never done before, and it kind of forced me out of my head and forced me to think very differently. And I don't know, I kind of just let my mind go blank when I did this. I listened to a podcast like usual. I just had so much fun seeing this paint go on in these blocky shapes. And it was such a fast painting. I think it took me like 45 minutes, which is very fast for me. I don't know, it was just such an interesting experience, and I definitely recommend trying something like this. You know, whether it's trying a new style or trying a completely different surface, changing your surroundings, whether that's your physical surroundings or your surroundings on paper. So yeah, this has been super helpful when doing commissions, because as much as I love doing them, it can be hard to, when you have very limited time, all of your time is dedicated to artwork of other people or for other people, and it can be overwhelming because it's really, really challenging to, you know, put that pressure on yourself. So yeah, it's good to take a few minutes when you have the chance to just kind of focus on yourself. But I don't know, I'm getting ahead of myself maybe. I really did want to thank everybody who's asked for a commission. It not only supports me financially, but it also makes me feel like there's people out there who really, I don't know, see potential in me, and I really, really appreciate that, especially taking a chance on me when I'm still learning. You know, that's such an admirable thing, and I just appreciate it so much. So this is the commission from the beginning of the painting, only a little bit later. You can see that I kind of started on the eyes, started on the face. I ended up going back and changing a lot of this, but it was an interesting experience, and I wanted to show you. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this very short but concise studio vlog. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.